Compound. Crossing over is an exchange of genetic material between A. Homologous chromosome. B. Right. The beginning of diplotin is characterized by A. Recombination. B. Synapsis. C. Dissolution of synaptomal complex. D. Formation of tetrad. Right. Diakinesis is characterized by A. Condensation of chromosome. B. Assemblage of spindle. C. Disappearance of nucleus and Right. Homologous chromosomes get separate during A. Metaphase I. B. Anaphase. Right. The stage between two meiosis is A. M phase. B. Interphase. C. S phase. D. Interkinesis. Right. Which of the following statement is incorrect? A. Prophase II is simpler than prophase I. B. Prophase I is longer and complex than prophase of mitosis. C. Nuclear membrane reappears in telophase I. D. Anaphase II is not characterized by the splitting. Right. Meiosis is significant because it A. Increases genetic variability. B. Helps in the conservation of specific chromosome number. C. Is right. Most of the cell organelle duplicates during A. Right. Reduction of the division is A. Meiosis. B. Mitosis. C. Right. The main difference between dividing in animal and plant cell lies in A. Cell plate formation. B. Chromosome movement. C. Coiling of chromosome. D. Chromosome division. Right. Which of the following cells do not divide once it is differentiated? A. Interstitial cells. B. Nerve cells. C. Myeloid cells. D. Glial cells. Right.